Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just exploring new platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Bitmart. Double-check that your accounts are verified and secure. Crypto transfers involve real money, so security is key. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. This is usually found in the top menu. From there, select Withdraw and choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Next, you'll need the Bitcoin wallet address from Bitmart. Log into your Bitmart account, go to the Deposit or Wallet section, and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. Be extra careful here. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Binance. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees involved, especially with Bitcoin's blockchain, so factor that into your total. In 2025, some platforms like Binance might have updated fee structures or faster networks, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction via email or 2FA. After confirmation, sit tight. Bitcoin transfers can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, you can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com by entering the transaction ID. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet. Your Bitcoin should appear in your account. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly move your Bitcoin from Binance to Bitmart in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.